In the book Financial Freedom by Grant Sabaye, he presents the 7 levels of wealth, which represent the different financial phases we all go through in life. Each level marks a stage from mere survival to complete financial independence, where money is no longer concerned and becomes a tool for living with freedom and purpose. Sabaye explains how to progress through each stage and what is needed to reach the peak of financial freedom. If you want to discover which level you are at and learn how to advance to the next, leave a like and follow this content. It could transform your financial life. Level 1. Financial clarity. The first level is about achieving financial clarity. This means understanding exactly where you stand with your finances. Many people go through life without a clear idea of how much they earn, spend, or owe. At level 1, the priority is to establish a budget. Take inventory of your debts and expenses, and have a clear vision of your current financial situation. Being at level 1 can be distressing because it's when you realize the true magnitude of your financial problems, such as growing debt or a lack of savings. However, this is the first essential step to taking control of your financial life. At this point, the focus should be on understanding your income and expenses and creating a plan to reduce debt and avoid unnecessary costs. The priority here is to figure out where your money is going and identify spending patterns that may be sabotaging your progress. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and face the numbers head-on, create a budget, and start organizing your finances. At this stage, there is no room for large investments or luxuries. The focus is on ensuring you have basic control over your money and developing a habit of saving, even if it's just a small amount. Level 2. Financial self-sufficiency. Level 2 is when you achieve financial self-sufficiency. This means you can pay all your bills and basic expenses without relying on anyone, whether family, friends, or credit cards. Many people consider this level a significant turning point because they can finally live independently and cover their needs without accumulating additional debt. To achieve financial self-sufficiency, it is necessary to develop spending control habits and possibly cut back on some non-essential expenses. This may require sacrifices such as reducing outings, canceling subscriptions, or even moving to more affordable housing. The goal here is to avoid relying on loans or external help to maintain your standard of living. However, this level still doesn't offer financial security or comfort, as you're still dependent on your active income to cover daily expenses. At this level, it's crucial to adopt a conscious strategy in 2 areas: expense control, reducing unnecessary spending; income growth, finding ways to supplement earnings, whether through side jobs, professional improvements, or even starting small businesses. Overcoming this phase is essential to establishing a solid financial foundation, allowing you to move confidently to the next levels of wealth. Level 3. Financial stability. Level 3 is about achieving financial stability. At this point, you not only pay your bills on time, but also have an emergency fund equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund acts as a cushion against unexpected events such as job loss, health problems, or financial emergencies. This level offers a sense of security because you have breathing room and are no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Financial stability also allows you to start thinking more long-term. Instead of just focusing on survival, you can begin planning for the future, whether through investments or strategies to increase your income. This is a foundational level for building a solid base, where you can not only handle unexpected expenses, but also start having room for financial growth. While the stability level provides greater peace of mind regarding finances, it is not without challenges. Many people still have debts to pay, such as mortgages, student loans, or car financing. The difference here is that these debts are manageable and generally part of a broader financial plan. Level 4. Financial flexibility. When you reach level 4, you achieve financial flexibility. This means you have enough savings and investments to live for at least 2 years without needing active income. At this point, you have a significant investment base, and your assets start generating passive income, either in the form of dividends, interest, or capital gains. This is a level where you begin to feel greater freedom to make life decisions without being tied to a regular salary. However, it's not yet complete freedom. You still have the capacity to leave a bad job or take a break to reevaluate your priorities, But you're not completely free from the need to generate income. Financial flexibility at this level allows you to live with more peace of mind, knowing that you have resources to face life for a certain period without compromising your standard of living. To progress further beyond this stage, it's essential to continue investing in financial growth, seeking opportunities to increase income, and invest wisely with the goal of advancing to higher levels. Level 5, Financial Independence. Level 5 is about financial independence. At this stage, your investments and assets generate enough passive income to cover all your basic expenses. This means you no longer need to work to survive. The income generated by your investments is enough to pay bills, and in theory, you could live the rest of your life on what you've accumulated. Achieving financial independence requires a great deal of discipline to save and invest, as well as smart management of your resources. Over time, financial independence doesn't mean you'll never work again. Instead, work becomes an option, not a necessity. Many people at this level still choose to work on projects they love, where they find purpose in their lives. The great advantage at this level is the freedom to choose how to spend your time, as the basic financial concerns are resolved. Despite being financially independent, it's crucial to maintain careful control over expenses, continuing to manage and plan finances to ensure financial freedom isn't threatened by impulsive or extravagant financial decisions. The key to success at this level is the ongoing discipline of financial management. Level 6, Financial Freedom. At level 6, you reach financial freedom. Here, your passive income doesn't just cover your basic expenses. It also allows you to live comfortably and maintain the lifestyle you desire. This means you can travel, shop, or invest in hobbies without worrying about how that will affect your financial security. This level represents a state of financial abundance where your life options expand significantly. Financial freedom is when many people start to focus more on what truly matters, such as spending time with family, dedicating themselves to important causes, or even exploring new personal and professional projects. The key at this level is no longer about making money, but about living meaningfully, as money has ceased to be a limitation. Reaching level 6 of financial freedom represents the peak of a successful financial plan and a life defined by conscious decisions and effective strategies. This stage offers not just the freedom to enjoy a higher quality lifestyle without financial concerns, but also requires a constant commitment to discipline and prudence to maintain and expand accumulated wealth.